Chris, what a dramatic end to that game.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. It's obviously tough for Barri to take, but we were pushing and we managed to get the winner at the end, which I think was 94th minute. So really pleasing.
Did you feel you deserved that?
I thought we probably had the better chances across the game. You know, in the first 20 minutes we could have been 2 up, but then Barri had some chances and they were always a threat on the counter. I just felt that we were probably the team that were trying to win it, and maybe Barri was settling for a point, which is fair. We weren't being reckless, but we were certainly trying to win it, and we changed shape at half-time as well to try and open the game up a little bit because we felt like we could go and get the win, but it didn't look like it was going to come, but it did.
Oh, Steve, there can't have been many more gutting ways to lose that. How do you feel?
Flat. Yeah, it was a difficult one. Like I say, to lose it in the last sort of minute, whatever it was, 2 minutes, in the manner as well in terms of the goal. Yeah, it's hard. But the good thing is we got a game on Monday now to put it right again.
The game seemed to ebb and flow both ways. Did you feel as if you'd done enough to get that point?
Yeah, I think a point was a fair result. You know, you look at the chances that both teams created, there was nothing between the two teams. But they get that goal right at the death, you know, from an entry into our box that we didn't deal with. So that's the disappointing thing in terms of, yeah, we should have done better. And like I say, to concede so late, the game's done then.
A word on Noah Daly. It's his first league start for you, and he's got a hat-trick.
Yeah, he's not the best, to be honest. No, he's over there. No, he's done well. Look, he suspended the first 2 games. We didn't realise that, and probably a bit harsh for a suspension to carry over. But, you know, he's come in tonight, he's had his chance, and he's been patient, and obviously three really well-taken goals.
Your first start in the league for your new club, and you couldn't have gone any better.
I know, mental start, but hopefully we can kick on now, and it's just a start there.
Talk us through your goals. The first one, maybe there's a little bit of doubt as to the deflection, but no doubt about the other 2.
No, the first one, maybe, but it's on target, so I'll claim it all day. But yeah, second and third. The third, I knew if we could keep getting the ball in the box, I knew a chance would fall. So yeah, just happy one did right to the end.
How important was that to bounce back after last weekend's defeat?
Well, it's important to keep winning games. Definitely, I felt last week that we were really unlucky. You know, we equalised a legitimate goal in the 70th minute, and they scored the second in the 71st. So that was a tough one to take for us last week. But I said to the players that ultimately, if we want to achieve anything, we've got to get results in places like Barry Town, whether that be a point or 3. We've got to get something, and we have done.